If you're planning a kitchen remodel, you've probably seen the heated debate over gas versus induction ranges. But this decision goes way beyond just how you cook. It can change your remodel budget, ventilation, electrical work, and even your timeline. Before you pick a side, let's break down what homeowners often miss when it comes to the gas versus induction debate. Hi, I'm Andre from KitchenPlanIt. Today we're diving straight into one of the most debated choices in the kitchen remodeling. Should you choose a gas stove or make the switch to induction? This isn't just about taste or trends. It's about a decision that can affect everything from your construction budget to daily kitchen usability and safety. Let's get clear on what really matters before you start spending. Why is this debate so controversial? The gas versus induction conversation is everywhere, on design blogs, in appliance showrooms, and even around the dinner table. Some cooks swear by the instant control of gas, while others love the sleek look, easy cleaning, and safety features of induction. But underneath the surface, this debate is about more than personal preference. Choosing between gas and induction can have a major consequences for your kitchen's ventilation, electrical upgrades or energy bills, and even future code compliance. In some areas, new builds are moving away from gas for environmental reasons. But for many homeowners, the real controversy comes from not realizing all the hidden trade-offs until after the decision is locked in. And often, after spending thousands on other remodel elements that depend on this choice. A common planning trap is picking a stove based on cooking style or what's in right now, without thinking through what that means for your project's budget, timeline, and build complexity. For example, imagine you fall in love with a pro-style gas range, only to discover later that your kitchen lacks the proper venting or gas line, or that local code requires a powerful hood that changes your ceiling plan. Or maybe you choose induction for its easy cleaning and safety, but don't realize your home needs a 240 volt electrical circuit, which adds both cost and construction disruption. The mistake isn't picking wrong, it's not understanding how this single choice can cascade into every other remodel decision, from cabinets and layout to lighting and ventilation. Ventilation requirements: if you're considering gas, you will need to plan for strong ventilation. This means checking if your kitchen can support a hood that's powerful enough and whether you have a clear duct path to the outside ventilation. It isn't just about box check. It affects your cabinet design, ceiling height, and even where lights are installed. Induction cooktops require a dedicated 240 volt circuit. That may mean running new wiring from your panel, which would be a major project in an older home. But before you decide on induction, check with an electrician on what's needed and whether your panel can handle the extra load. Gas line location. If you're moving your stove or switching to gas, confirm whether there's an existing gas line, and if not, what it will cost and require to install one safely. Sometimes moving a gas line is simple. Other times, it means cutting into floors, walls, or ceilings, which can affect your entire remodel sequence. Local codes and restrictions. Some municipalities are shifting away from gas in new builds or major remodels for environmental or safety reasons. Check with your local building department before making plans around a gas appliance. Cooking preferences and daily use. Beyond infrastructure, consider your real cooking habits. Are you looking for instant heat control, or do you want easy cleanup and less ambient heat in the kitchen? Remember, your choice will shape your daily experience. Impact on cabinet and countertop plans. Both gas and induction cooktops often come in different depths and require specific clearances for safety and code. Make sure your cabinet designer knows your appliance model early, or you can end up with awkward overhangs, venting mishaps, or storage sacrifices. Budget and timeline. Every infrastructure adjustment, venting, electrical, or gas affects your budget and can add hidden costs or delays. Build in a contingency if you're making a switch or moving appliances. How KitchenPlanIt helps. After you've weighed the pros and cons of gases versus induction, you'll want to see how your decision impacts the rest of your model plan. KitchenPlanIt helps homeowners spot these plans before you spend thousands or lock in choices that are hard to reverse. You can clarify which decisions are still missing, see how your appliance pick fits with your cabinet and venting layout, and it gets a clear checklist for what to confirm before ordering anything. Before you commit to gas or induction, get your Kitchen Remodel Readiness Score from www.KitchenPlanIt.net. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe below, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye now.